This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the only ingredients that work: 1 cup of moon water, a quartz shard, and a dried nettle bundle. Mix them in a non-reactive bowl. This creates the base reaction that attracts pixie dust. Once done, position yourself in a 2-meter clearing facing east to catch natural light. This alignment increases field resonance. Make sure to remove metal and strong scents. They interfere with the subtle attractant. Begin immediately and keep movement slow to avoid dispersing the forming dust. You now activate the field that converts the base into collectible dust. Warm the mixture to 37 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. Overheating collapses microstructures. While it warms, use the quartz to trace a 6-point star above the bowl. This focuses directional flow and aligns ambient particles. Once warmed, chant a simple cadence for 90 seconds while breathing evenly. Rhythmic sound stabilizes formation. Keep your gestures deliberate and make sure to maintain eye contact with the surface until visible motes begin to rise. You finish by capturing the motes and securing them for later use. When motes rise, hold a clean glass vial upside down over the active area. Invert it with a single steady motion to trap particles without stirring the field. Immediately seal with wax and label, then store at 12 to 15 degrees Celsius in darkness to preserve activity. If motes dissipate before capture, repeat the 37-degree warming step and increase cadence tempo slightly. This reestablishes formation. Troubleshoot by checking for drafts or strong scents nearby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.